Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be looking at these wind mirror casings for the Nissan Qashqai Plus 2. Now you can get these on eBay or you can get them from AliExpress. There's not much of a big price difference. I've bought them from AliExpress before, unprimed, but you can get them now primed, ready to be painted, or in this particular case I've actually got it to the Z1 colour of the Qashqai Plus 2. It's very similar to the actual colour that I need, and it's all done and ready to go. Now these things are going to get banged all the time, and I've banged this particular one so many times and spray painted it. I've decided, listen, you know what, it's time to get a new one. So to remove it, it's literally grab hold of that case and it should just unclip out. Now it's a little bit wet. If you can't get it out, then you're gonna have to get your tools, but I'm gonna try and get this out by getting my fingers underneath and pulling it out. And there we go. Okay, that exposes everything. Now when you're there, there's another video on how to change the mirror on this. Is quite simple, but we're going to try this new one, and it's got all the clips in there, so we just need to slide it into place like so, and hopefully just make sure that you slide it and you position it nicely, and then just push it in and tap it through, and that is it fitted. A really nice result. I'm going to step back so you can see that. Really nice result. The colour match is pretty good. I don't think it's perfect, but it's pretty good, and yeah, you should be happy with that. Now these are only about £25 or something for a set, which means that, you know, it's just a lot easier just to buy them, bang them, and then get replaced. You're always going to have these little wobbles. Qashqai's always has little wobbles, and at some point I'm going to look at how to stop that. Buying these new ones are quite expensive. I'm not keen on buying new entire motors from AliExpress. I'd rather just modify this one, and I will get into modifying because this is quite a common problem, this wobble. It doesn't affect the MOTs, but at some point you're going to have to do that, because at some point it may cause an issue. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll just recap. These are actually quite decent.